Today we are going to do 5 seated forward bends. Start with Dandasan. From there, fold your right leg, the right foot against the left inner thighs, and with the block you inhale. With exhalation, take a forward bend ahead of the foot, holding the block tightly, resting your forehead, nostrils, and then the chin. Inhale to come up, exhalation to relax, and we repeat the same with the another leg. And you inhale all the way, arms up overhead, exhalation, forward bend ahead of the foot, grabbing the block, staying it for some time, and then you inhale to come up, exhalation to release. Now we move to Paschim Uttanasana and flex both the feet. Inhale with the arms all the way up. With exhalation, you fold and bend the trunk, reaching to the block and resting your forehead, nostrils, chin onto the thighs and the knees. Hold it for some time. Inhale, exhalation to release. Moving to the third forward bend is Maricya Asana 1. In this, you fold right leg just like in the video and raise your right hand up to interlock fingers with the left hand, wrapping the right leg around using both the hands, and do a forward bend to rest the forehead, nostrils, and then the chin. With inhale, we come up and release back to Dandasana. Repeat the same with another leg, folding the left leg towards yourself, raising the left hand up all the way. With exhalation, interlocking the fingers using both the hands, wrapping the leg around and doing a forward bend to relax, and you exhale, resting the forehead, nostrils, and then the chin. Releasing, inhale to come back center and coming back to Dandasana. From here, moving to the fourth forward bend is Triyanga Mukhik Pad, Paschim Uttanasana, where you fold the right leg at the knee, placing the foot beside the right hip joint. Make sure both buttocks are rested on the mat. And then with the block, you inhale, exhalation to a forward bend, resting forehead, nostrils, chin again. With the help of the block, you inhale, exhalation to release to Dandasana again. And repeat the same step with the another leg, folding the leg at the back. All the way you inhale, taking the arms up. With exhalation, forward bend, holding the block with the hands, with the arms, resting the forehead, all the way up. Inhale, exhalation to relax to Dandasana, back again. In the fifth advanced Hatha Yoga forward bend, you bring your right foot and place on left thigh with knee turned outwards, touching onto the floor. Now rotate your right hand and hold the bigger toe by twisting the spine. Once you hold the bigger toe, you raise the left hand up for inhalation, and with exhalation you take a forward bend, grabbing the foot, resting the forehead again, nostrils with the chin. You inhale to come up and exhalation to release back to Dandasana. Again you repeat the same step with the another leg. Folding the left leg, the foot keeping onto the right thigh, letting the knee turning out externally, touching to the floor, twisting the spine, holding the bigger toe, along with the head, neck, chest, looking backwards. And with inhalation, you raise your right hand up all the way. With exhalation, taking a forward bend, grabbing the foot, resting the forehead, nostrils, and chin again. Hold it for some time. With inhale, you release to come back center, again to Dandasana. After doing these 5 forward bends, relax yourself by shaking the legs out in for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Doing it for some time, all in silence, moving your leg out in by resting your palms just like in the video. Then, now we do 2 counters after the forward bends. Fold the legs towards yourself. Place your palms behind the buttocks. You inhale to lift your spine, looking up, exhalation to rest down. Do it for 6 to 8 reps, going with inhalation, lifting back, looking up, exhalation to rest onto the floor. Keep continuing for a few more reps. You will feel strengthened with the arms and spine, your hamstrings getting stretched better, and come into this pose by straightening right and left leg and looking up to the ceiling, or by looking back completely. Slowly, after a hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute, you can release to come back center, and that is all.
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.